everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel GetAssist.net, where I post troubleshooting videos and useful tutorials. In today's video, I will be showing you how you can fix if Google Play Store is not opening on Android. So stay tuned and keep on watching. Alright, to fix the Google Play Store app if it is not opening on your Android device, the first thing you need to do is you have to go to the settings section of your Android device, and then you have to look for the apps option. Here it is. Now here you have to look for the Google Play Store app, and then at the bottom of the screen you will see the option Force Stop. So simply press that. Press OK, and after that you have to try to open the Google Play Store app again and see if this helps or not. If it didn't work for you, the next step you can take is you can go to the storage section of the Google Play Store app, and here you will see two options at the bottom: clear data and clear cache. So make sure to use both these options, as this will remove all the bad data that the Google Play Store app has, and it may help in fixing the issues with the app, and you can try to open the Google Play Store again on your Android device. Alright, so that's the next thing you can do. And apart from that, one more thing you can do is you can simply turn off and on the airplane mode. So for that you can go back and then go to connections. Now from here you can simply turn off the Wi-Fi, or you can simply turn on the flight mode and then turn it off again. Now again turn back your Wi-Fi on, or your cellular data, whatever you are using, and after that you can try opening the Google Play Store app. Alright, that was all for this video. If this video helped you, do not forget to hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and you can also visit my website, that is GetAssist.net, for more informative and tech related content. For now, I will take the leave. We'll see you the next time.